Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're a friend of mine built a bar in his backyard porch, so I'm gonna work on making a little sign for him. So I'm gonna show y'all what we're gonna make it out of. Got some aluminum, some stainless. Gonna do a little step off sign, and let's just get after it. All right, I flipped the camera back around. So this is what we got. We got carbon steel here, and I have some aluminum here. And the idea is I'm gonna cut the sign out of this carbon. Of course, carbon's not wide enough, so I'm gonna split it, tack it together, and make it long enough to fit. And then I'll come back with a plasma, cut all the letters out, and then we're gonna offset it off so it'll be about 6 inches wide compared to this 8-inch piece of aluminum. I'll clean this aluminum up, polish it, so basically you'll see the name letters. Actually, the aluminum will be reflecting it. And then we have the option of I don't know, maybe putting some LEDs behind it and backlight it, but well, let me get after it. If you can see that, dang, that's straight. All right, camera battery died, but you can see I got the carbon cut out. There's all the other pieces, but got it cut out. Got the extension put on here so we make the same size as the sign. So I'm fixing to hit the flip the switch, melt some metal over here, make it, and then I'll get the my friendly helpers to cut the stencil out. And then what I'll do is I'll just lay it on here, and then it'll be stenciled on here. And then I will use that as the guide. Instead of trying to trace it all out, I'll just get my helpers to give me a hand. All right, we'll come back. Oops. A little splatter. Never know. Well, that'll wrap up this episode of Smoking Rue. Here's the sign. Bam.